Kshamyatam, this there is network issue. Yes. Now we will move to the Anga Karya.
Before that, Samakam, that Sam is has already undergone Adesha, right? So it is not Anadesha, it is Adesha. Adesha has happened, and after that only we do this Karya, Akam. So
No, I think I didn't understand question.
no, you said all these are Anadesha Karya, Anadesha Pratyaya Karya, but Sama Akam, you did that Akam Adesha for Sama, which was originally Am. So it is Adesha Pratyaya, not Anadesha Pratyaya, right?
Yeah, that is also Adesha.
Okay, I thought you were telling all these Karyas only for Anadesha. Sorry.
No. Whatever is orange, all the orange pratyas, we have done some or the other Adesha to them. Correct. Like all the su, au, jas, out are replaced by Shas has got na as Adesha. Nge has got as Adesha. Ngasi and Vyas of Panchami Vibhakti have got at Adesha. Ngas has got ash Adesha. And Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan, which is Am, that pratyay also has got this Akam Adesha. Am is the original pratyaya. Once Sut comes, Sut itself becomes Am. Sakara is a part. Whatever Agama comes, it becomes the part of Sthani. Agami. So Sama is also considered as Am only. And then that is replaced by Akam. So this Akam is also, which is Shashti Bhakti Bahuvachana Pratyaya, is Adesha Pratyaya only. It is not Anadesha Pratyaya. It is Adesha Pratyaya. So Anadesha Pratyayas are like only these. Wherever we are seeing the Pratyayas which are black. All Pratyaya Bhakti Pratyayas are as it is. We have not changed. Then Chaturthi Bhakti Dvivachan. Panchami Dvivachan, Shashti, Saptami Dvivachan. Saptami, Ekvachan and Ekvachan, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan, all Pratyayas. Clear?
Ji, kindly share the screen.
Oh. Here we are. Now, whatever the black pratyayas are there, all those are Anadesha pratyayas. Now, we'll move to the Anga Karya. Let's read the first sutra. Yushmadasmadoranaadeshe, 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 Yushmadasmadoho, Anayoho, Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachan, Akarah Syat, Anayoho, Akarah Syat, Anadeshe Haladau Pare. Yushmadasmadoho, Akarah Syat, Anadeshe Haladau Pare. Yushmad and Asmad are getting Adesha. That Adesha is Akara Adesha. That Akara Adesha will come to the last letter of Yushmad and Asmad whenever there is Haladi Anadesha Vibhakti. Now this Anadesha new Shabda we have already seen. Haladi Anadesha Vibhakti is there in front of Yushmad and Asmad. Then last letter will be replaced by Akara. That is what the Karya is. Yushmad Yasya Antyasya Dakarasya Thane आकारः आदेशः स्यात् अनादेशे हलादौ प्रत्यये परे. When there is anadesha haladi pratyaya in front of yushmat, last letter of yushmat will be replaced by akara. This ashtana avibhakta, after that sutra, this sutra comes. Yes, yeah. This akara is coming from this sutra. Ashtana avibhakta, rayo hali. And then next sutra is yushmadasmador anadeshe. Dvitiyayancha prathamayascha dvivachane bhashayam. Till this three sutras we are going to do akara adesha to the yushmadasmad. Yushmadasmad will be repeated in yushmadasmadoho dvitiyayancha anadeshe आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. प्रथमायाश्च द्विवचने भाषायां युष्मदस्मदोः आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. Now युष्मदस्मदोः is in षष्ठी विभक्ति द्विवचन. अनादेश विभक्तिस are these vibhaktis. Anadesha haladi vibhaktis are dvivachana vibhaktis. So here ta is anadesha vibhakti, but it is not haladi. So here akara adesha will not happen. Dhyam is anadesha vibhakti. Therefore, it is anadesha plus it is haladi. So anadesha haladi vibhakti pratyaya pare sati yushmadha akarah adesha astyat. So dakara will be replaced by akara. Here also, this is anadesha vibhakti. It is anadesha haladi vibhakti. Yushmad anga will get akara adesha. Dakara will be replaced by akara. Again, all these bhyam pratyas are anadesha haladi vibhakti pratyas. So we will replace that dakara by akara. No, sorry. It is not haladi. Os are ajadi. Shamira. Saptama vibhakti bahuvachan is haladi. हलादौ अनादेशे प्रत्यय परे सति युष्मदः आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. So all three bhyam pratyas, bis tritiya vibhakti bahuvachan and sup saptama vibhakti bahuvachan, there we replace dakara by akara. Done. Sutra and the karya is clear.
So here the Shashti and Saptami Dvivachan will come, Yushmat, the da will remain. And ta is considered as
they are ajadi.
a.
Okay, I will write a. And this ni will be e. Now next sutra. Let's read the next sutra. Dvitiyayancha युष्मदस्मदोः द्वितीयायाञ्च आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. Here anadeshe and halado, these two words will not be repeated. This anadeshe is not coming. Only yushmadasmadoho is coming. Yushmadasmadoho akara is coming from ashtana vibhakto. Yushmadasmadoho द्वितीयायां च आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. That's how vritti will be युष्मदः मदः च द्वितीयायां च परतः आकारादेशः स्यात्. When there is Dvitiya Vibhakti, that time also this Yushmad and Asmat will get Akara Adesha. Again, it will happen to the last letter. Here, everywhere we have to. Now, this is Dvitiya Vibhakti Pratyayas. And Sa. This is what we have got so far. So, everywhere last Dakara we are going to replace by Akara. Then next sutra. Same karya is going to continue. प्रथमायाश्च द्विवचने भाषायां प्रथमायाश्च द्विवचने भाषायां प्रथमायाश्च द्विवचने भाषायां. As we are doing or we have done Akara Adesha to the Anadesha Haladi Vibhakti, Itya Vibhakti Pratyayas, so we have to do Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya whenever there is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya in front of Yushmad and Asmat Shabda. When it is being used in the Laukika Sanskrita, for Laukika Sanskrita only. That is the additional thing here. Bhashayam, when it is said Bhashayam, so we have to understand Loke. Loke, Laukika Bhasha, not the Vaidika. Bhasha Shabda is used for Laukika Sanskrita. Chandasi, Vede, these are the Shabdas which talk about the Vaidika Sanskrita. This is Laukika Sanskrita. So Loke, Prathamayaha api Vivachane युष्मदस्मदोः आकारः अन्तादेशः स्यात्. युष्मदः अस्मदः च प्रथमायाः विवचने परे सति आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. And by alontyasya antadeshah syat. Granthakara, when Granthakara is writing antadesha, that is including the Paribhasha Sutra, that is alontyasya. That's how the Vritti is differing. Otherwise, iha kwa iha yushmad asmadaha prathamayaha dvivachane pare sati. That iha is talking about this much. Yushmad asmadoho akaraha antadesha syat. Akara will become antadesha. We have to do that akara antadesha for prathama vibhakti dvivachana. That is again am pratyaya here. Here also we will bring a. So far we have got Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan, all vachanas. Then this Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Dvivachana, and Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachana. These many places we have done Akara Adesha. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana also, forgot to mention. these many places we have done akara adesha to the last letter of Yushmat Shabda. So it will happen to the Asmad also. Clear? This much is clear?
Ji.
Now the next sutra is in the same order. Yushmad Asmadoh, we are going by Ashtadhyayi Krama. Yochi, Yochi, Yochi. Anayoho, Anayoho, Yushmad Asmadoho. Yakara Desha Syat, may the Yakara Desha happen. Anadeshe Ajadav Pare. When there is Anadesha Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya, Yushmadaha, Asmadaha, Cha, Anadeshe Ajadav Pratyaye Pare Sati Yakaraha Adesha Syat. Whenever in front of Yushmat or Asmat there is Anadesha Ajadi Pratyaya, Anadesha Ajadi Pratyaya. That time the Yakara Adesha will happen to this Yushmat and Asmat. Anadesha Pratyayas we know. All the black Pratyayas here, that Abhyam Vis, Bhyam, Bhyam, Os, E, Os, Su. All these Pratyayas are Anadesha Pratyayas. Among them, Haladi Anadesha Pratyayas, whenever they were in front of Yushmad Asmat, we did Akara Adesha to Yushmad and Asmat. Now, whenever there is Ajadi Anadesha Pratyaya, Ajadi Anadesha Pratyaya in front of Yushmad and Asmat, that time we have to do Yakara Adesha, and that Yakara Adesha will happen to the last letter, that is Dakar. So all Ajadi Anadesha Pratyaya, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan, that is Ta, eventually it becomes A. So here Dakara in the Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana will be replaced by Yakara. Then next is Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachana. Here also Yakara. Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana, Yakara. Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachana, again Yakara. Yeah. So Anadesha Ajadi Pratyayas are Tritiya Ekvachana, Saptami Ekvachana, Shashti and Saptami Dvivachana. These are Anadesha Ajadi. So we replace this Dakara by Yakara. Again we will paint them. So this Karya is clear so far, whatever we have done.
SG.
Haladi
Can I see
Anadesha.
the other sutras?
Here, yes, Swamiji. Here. Next sutra or earlier sutra, Swamiji?
This one. This, for the last one that you did, I couldn't hear.
Ji, Swamiji?
Shashti Saptami Dvivachanam and Saptami Ekvachanam.
Yes, and Tritiya Ekvachana.
Yakara says.
Here I will write. Yuvayoho. Here only I write. Yuvayoho. Yuvayoho. मया मयि आवयोः आवयोः will be.
आवय.
These many forms will be framed here. Just there is additional clear. Swamiji, should we move to the next?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Swamiji.
Let's go ahead.
Done. So
Go
far,
ahead.
yes, Swamiji. Yes. So far we did adesha to the last letter, that is dakara. युष्मदस्मदोर अनादेशे दकारस्य स्थाने, that is अन्त्यस्य स्थाने आकारादेश द्वितीयाञ्च आकारादेशस्य प्रथमायाश्च द्विवचने भाषायाम् आकारादेशस्य योचि. Here also we did adesha to the last letter, that is dakara. Now next sutra, let's read the next sutra. शेषे लोपः शेषे लोपः शेषे लोपः शेषे लोपः. Now again here two types of vrittis are taken by different Vyakarnas. We will see this particular vritti of Kaumudikara, which is more clear in the sense like it is giving more clarity. Atva yatva nimittetara vibhaktau paratah. That vibhakti pratyaya which is not becoming nimitta for atva, not becoming nimitta for yatva, those vibhakti pratyayas. So far, whatever karya we have done to pratyayas, nimitta was yushmad and asmad shabda. So far, whatever karya we have done to the anga, that is yushmad and asmad, the nimitta we have taken all vibhakti pratyayas. Okay? So the paraspar they are becoming nimitta to each other. Now, there are two types of pratyayas. Pratyayas which are giving atva or yatva to the yushmad asmad shabda, and pratyayas which are not giving atva or yatva to the yushmad asmad shabda. Correct? Again, I will repeat. Few pratyayas are becoming cause to give this akara adesha to yushmad shabda asmad shabda and yakara adesha to yushmad and asmad shabda. Few pratyayas are not becoming like that. So here there is, wherever this akara we are seeing, all those vibhakti pratyayas are becoming cause for this akara adesha and yakara adesha. Apart from these pratyayas are being discussed now. Okay, those vibhakti pratyayas which are not becoming cause for akara adesha or yakara adesha, those vibhakti pratyayas are meant by sheshe shabda. Then it is said shesha. Shesha is talking about those pratyayas which are not giving akara adesha, which are not giving yakara adesha. Those pratyayas are talked or addressed by shesha shabda. So sheshe pratyaya pare sati, shesha pratyaya is that which is not becoming nimitta for akara, not becoming nimitta for yakara. Here there is sutra is going like this: 86, 87, 88 and 89. These sutras are becoming cause either for akara adesha or for yakara adesha. Starting from this युष्मदस्मदोर अनादेशे आकारः स्यात्, द्वितीयायाञ्च युष्मदस्मदोः आकारः आदेशः स्यात्, प्रथमायाश्च द्विवचने भाषायाम् आकारः आदेशः स्यात्, योचि आकारः यकारः आदेशः स्यात्. So those pratyayas are becoming akar or yakara adesha nimitta. Now we want pratyayas which are not becoming the cause for or nimitta for akara or yakara adesha. Those pratyayas being addressed. So now we know which pratyayas do not become nimitta for akara and yakara. That is prathama vibhakti ekvachana pratyaya, प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन प्रत्यय. Then this chaturthi, panchami, shashti ekvachana pratyaya is not becoming cause for this akara adesha or yakara adesha. Then chaturthi, panchami, shashti bahuvachana pratyas are also not becoming nimitta for akara or yakara adesha. So those are being addressed by shesha shabda. Now let's see the meaning. आत्व यत्व निमित्त इतर विभक्तौ. आत्व यत्व निमित्तेतर विभक्तौ परतः. When that pratyay which is different from atva yatva nimitta. Atva nimitta vibhaktehe भिन्नः प्रत्ययः. यत्व निमित्त विभक्तेः भिन्नः प्रत्ययः. तस्मिन् परे सति युष्मदस्मदोः अन्त्यस्य लोपः स्यात्. अन्त्यस्य लोपः स्यात्. Last letter will disappear. Now here some extra work we are going to do. आत्व यत्व निमित्तेतर विभक्तौ परतः युष्मदस्मदोः अन्त्यस्य लोपः स्यात्. This is the Vritti by Kaumudikara. Laghu Kaumudikara says that Sheshe Anayoho Tilopah Syat. What? Etayoho Tilopah Syat. Etayoho Tilopah Syat. So Etayoho is Yushmadasmadoho. The Yushmadasmadoho is coming as Anuvritta here from Yushmadasmadoho Anadeshe. From here itself, from 86 Sutra, Yushmadasmadoho is coming till this Sutra, current Sutra. That is Sheshe Lopah. Sheshe Yushmadasmadoho Lopah Syat. Tilopah is suddenly word appearing, which is like appearing as though it is random. Suddenly it is coming. How this meaning is coming? So atva yatva nimittetara vibhaktau paratah yushmadasmadoho. Here one more word we have to do the apakarshana from maparyantasya. Maparyantasya is 91 and the sheshe lopa is 90th sutra. So maparyantasya we have to take back to the sheshe lopa and we have to say then we have to change the vibhakti. Vibhakti viparinama we have to do. We have to change the vibhakti and vibhakti will be panchami. Maparyantasya will turn into maparyantat. Yushmadasmadoho maparyantat. Maparyantat sheshe lopah स्यात् और भवति. कदा आत्व यत्व निमित्तेतर विभक्तौ परतः. युष्मदस्मदोः म पर्यन्तात् अन्त्यस्य लोपः स्यात्. After ma, whatever is the rest means starting from makara, whatever is after makara, rest of the part will be disappeared. What is the meaning? Atva yatva nimittetar vibhakti pratyay we have to keep in front. Whenever those pratyas are there, that time Yushmad Asmad has ya, u, sha, ma, a, da. This much part is there. Yushmad, that is ya, u, sha, ma, a, and the. This much is there. Maparyanta bhaga is this. Maparyanta bhaga is this. Ya, u, sha, ma. This is maparyanta bhaga. After maparyanta bhaga, whatever is there, that is a and the, that will disappear. If we do apakarshana of maparyantasya in the sheshe lopa, then we get this meaning. What? Whenever these vibhakti pratyayas are there, atva, yatva, nimityetar vibhakti pratyayas are there after yushmad asmat, then after maparyanta bhaga, whatever is there, that is ad, that after maparyanta bhag will disappear. Now, when it is said after ma, whatever is the bhaga, that is actually t. Whatever is remaining is t. And that's why Granthakara, instead of saying this, atva yatva nimittetara vibhaktyoho, vibhakto paratah yushmad asmadoho, antyasya lopah syat, what Kaumudikara is saying, instead of that, the Laghu Kaumudikara is saying that maparyantat antyasya lopah syat. So when it is maparyantat antyasya lopa, in other words, it becomes ti bhaga. Ti bhagasya lopasya. Because when it is said maparyantat antyasya, actually it is talking about ti bhaga only. That's why Kaumudikara, Laghu Kaumudikara is giving vritti like etayoho ti lopah syat, tehe lopah syat, ti bhagasya lopah syat. The meaning of sutra is clear. We are seeing this meaning. We are following Laghu Kaumudikara's meaning. This particular meaning we will see, we will need this meaning for Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Till that we are making some change. That is, we added this maparyanta shabda in the vritti of Kaumudikara's vritti, and then we saw. Otherwise, Laghu Kaumudikara's vritti is actually this. And he even shortened that by saying ti lopaha, because eventually at the end, if we read like this, it becomes ti bhaga. So simply he said ti bhagasya lopasya. But if at all someone wants the clarification how it is coming, so this is how it is coming. That taking maparyanta in the Sheshe Lopa Sutra, that's how it is interpreted. And at the end, we get the ti lopa, this particular interpretation. This meaning is clear?
Ji.
Hmm.
So you can borrow the anuvritti can come from down also, the Uttar Sutra also.
When it comes from the previous sutra, it is called anuvritti. And when it is taken from next sutra, it is called apakarshan. So we did apakarsha of that maparyanta shabda. Yes, Swami.
Man, this T Sanya Karya T Bhagasya Lopa. So it is there only for Shashti.
No. There are many places are there. Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan, there also it will happen. Here, Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachan, Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachan, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan, all these places, and then these Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti.
Is there.
Yes. Wherever Akara and Yakara has not happened. Sheshe Lopa.
I think this needs a little bit more clarification.
Yes. In short, once I will. In short, once again I will repeat. Here it will be understood. Wherever we have done Akara and Yakara, apart from those places, everywhere Ad part will be disappearing, or it will disappear. Wherever we have not done Akara and Yakara, everywhere else this Ad part is remaining. So this Ad part will disappear.
Okay. So that is the Shesha.
Yes. That is, all these pratyas, wherever akara or yakara, we have not done akara and yakara. Those all pratyas are addressed by saying atvayatva nimittetara vibhakti.
Hmm.
Atvayatva nimitta vibhaktis
Okay.
are those where akara and
Got it.
yakara. Yes.
Hmm.
So there, this ad part will disappear. Everywhere, wherever ad part is there, ad part will disappear, and we will get yushma only. Here, everywhere we have to remove this.
No new adesha. Prathama Bahuvachan.
Here also. प्रथमा एकवचन बहुवचन. Then चतुर्थी पंचमी षष्ठी एकवचन, चतुर्थी पंचमी षष्ठी बहुवचन. This is what it is.
Can conclude now.
Yes. Shanti Patel. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om Swami.
All sutras are over for this prakriya?
No. There are many more sutras.
Ji.
Uh,
Oh. Yes, Ji.
It will be easy. It will not go. I think so far it is not difficult, na?
No, it's not difficult. Only thing we to remember and apply the sutra at the right place will be a little taxing unless we put in a little effort to memorize, and some effort is needed. So far, no effort was needed. Most of the sutras, like 1 or 2 only were there. Easily we could finish that prakriya of the chapter. But this will take more than that. It is, I thought Rama Shabda has got maximum prakriya. This has got even more.
This has too many changes. Too many means pratyas are also changing. Anga is also changing.
Already some more than 15, almost 15 sutras you have given.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody's done it, so I also should be able to do it.
No, it will be easy. Once this prakriya in front of you is there, you will understand. I would have taken second file also, but second file I did not take because of reason only. Once it is done, then we will see the second file. I will show a whole everything again.
Okay. All right.
Yes, Hari.
Thank you, Ji. Hari Om. Good night.
Thanks.